Welcome to Factory Prodbscl, where we explore the fascinating transformation of agricultural waste into the high-quality garments you wear today. Our journey begins in the golden sugarcane fields, where nature provides the raw foundation for a revolutionary step in modern fashion. Harvesting is the first crucial step, ensuring we collect the stems before they are transported to the massive sugar processing facilities inside the mill. The stalks are crushed to extract sweet juice, leaving behind a fibrous byproduct that was once considered waste. This discarded material, known as Bagasse, contains rich cellulose fibers that hold the secret to creating sustainable and durable textile fabrics. Experts carefully inspect these fibers to ensure they meet strict quality standards before moving them into the intensive cleaning department today. Raw material travels along high-speed conveyors, entering the primary cleaning phase where impurities are systematically removed for better purity. A powerful combination of water jets and vibrating screens washes away dirt, dust, and residual sugar particles from the fibrous mass. Once cleaned, the fibers are dried thoroughly to achieve the perfect moisture balance, preparing them for the delicate chemical extraction process. Specialized eco-friendly solvents are introduced to the fibers, breaking down the lignin and isolating the pure. Cellulose required for high-end textiles, the mixture is stirred constantly to ensure an even reaction, creating a smooth and consistent pulp ready for the spinning stage. Precision is key here, as automated systems monitor temperature and pressure to guarantee the highest possible quality for the finished fibers. The liquid cellulose is pushed through fine nozzles, instantly solidifying into long, elegant strands that will soon become our premium yarn. These emerging strands are cooled and stretched to align their molecular structure, significantly increasing their overall strength and flexible performance. Rigorous testing confirms that our bio-based material rivals traditional cotton in durability, proving that sustainability does not compromise functional excellence. The finished fibers are collected onto large bobbins, ready to be transported to the spinning department for the final yarn preparation. Rows of spools wait patiently, representing the culmination of scientific innovation and agricultural recycling, ready for the next manufacturing phase. Advanced spinning machines twist the individual fibers together, creating a continuous thread that is smooth, strong, and exceptionally soft indeed. The resulting yarn feels remarkably similar to premium silk, yet it remains completely biodegradable and significantly more eco-friendly than synthetics. Quality control experts inspect every inch of the thread, ensuring no knots or weak points exist before the weaving process begins. These perfect cones of yarn are now prepared to be loaded into the massive looms that will craft our sustainable fabric. The weaving hall comes alive with the sound of looms, where thousands of threads interlace to form durable, high-quality textiles. Watch closely as the machine creates a dense, uniform weave, demonstrating the incredible versatility of sugarcane fiber in modern garment making. A steady stream of fabric emerges from the loom, marking the birth of a material that will soon clothe people everywhere. Next, the raw fabric enters the dyeing process, where organic pigments are applied to achieve vibrant, lasting colors without harmful chemicals. After dyeing, the fabric is carefully dried to lock in the color and ensure a smooth, comfortable texture for the wearer. Advanced laser scanners check the fabric for any microscopic surface defects, maintaining the uncompromising standards we set for our sustainable products. The finished cloth is soft to the touch, breathable, and ready to be transformed into stylish clothing for a global market. Designers use digital software to create patterns, maximizing fabric usage and minimizing waste during the cutting and assembly stages ahead. Powerful cutting machines precisely slice through multiple layers of fabric, following the digital patterns to ensure perfect fit and size accuracy. These precision-cut pieces are organized into kits, ready for the assembly line where they will be stitched into beautiful, finished garments. Skilled artisans operate high-speed sewing machines, joining the panels together with reinforced seams for long-lasting wear and superior comfort. Step by step, the hoodie takes shape, combining modern design aesthetics with the revolutionary properties of our sustainable sugarcane-based textile fabric. The final touch is the brand label, a symbol of our commitment to quality, transparency, and a cleaner future for fashion. Each garment undergoes a final inspection to trim loose threads and ensure that every seam meets our high expectations for excellence. The collection is now complete, showcasing how agricultural waste can be turned into fashionable, durable, and environmentally friendly clothing items. Today, we use eco-friendly packaging to ensure that our commitment to the planet extends from the factory floor to the customer's home, packed securely. The finished products are loaded onto pallets, ready to be shipped to retail stores and customers all around the world. The distribution network spans the globe, bringing these innovative garments to people who value both style and their environmental impact daily. In stores, these pieces stand out not just for their design, but for the inspiring story of their origin and sustainability goals. Real customers appreciate the softness and durability of the fabric. Feeling the difference that sustainable innovation makes in their daily lives, the fabric drapes beautifully, offering a comfortable fit that proves style and sustainability can truly coexist in our modern clothing industry. Wearing these clothes feels like a connection to nature, reminding us that we can create beautiful things without harming our planet. Understanding the journey from sugarcane to shirt makes the experience even more meaningful. For those who care about their consumption habits, our circular production model ensures that every stage is optimized for efficiency, minimizing our carbon footprint while maximizing the product utility. Look closely at the fibers, where technology meets nature to create a textile that is strong, soft, and completely eco-friendly today. The people behind the production are proud of their work, knowing they are contributing to a healthier and more sustainable future globally. From the fields to the closet, this journey represents a shift in how we perceive waste and value our precious resources. We believe that technology and fashion must work together to solve the challenges of the future while keeping us looking great. This logo represents more than just a brand. It stands for a commitment to innovation, quality, and a better world ahead. Every day where it becomes a statement of purpose, allowing us to carry our values with us wherever we go in the world. Notice the texture and how it catches the light, reflecting the high standards we maintain throughout every step of our process. Our mission continues to expand, reaching new markets and inspiring more people to choose clothing that respects our delicate natural environment. Large-scale production allows us to make sustainable choices accessible to everyone, ensuring that quality fashion remains affordable and widely available. Attention to detail remains our highest priority. As we strive to deliver perfection in every single garment that leaves our facility, the final result speaks for itself, blending modern design, incredible comfort, and the undeniable benefits of our sustainable sugarcane fiber technology. Deep inside the fabric, the structure is robust and refined, proving that nature provides everything we need for high performance textiles. Join us as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in sustainable fashion for a brighter future ahead. Thank you for watching this Journey on Factory. Please subscribe for more insightful content and have a wonderful day ahead.